Tteok-bokki 떡. Rice cake for tteokbokki. 400 gram. Put the rice cake in a pan. This is fish cake. 어묵. I will use 5 sheets of this 어묵. It's frozen. I will use this frozen one. You don't have to thaw it before you cook. You can use thawed 어묵, and you can use also frozen 어묵. I cut them into 1 bite size like this. 한 입 크기로 잘라주세요. Put it in the pan too. 팬에 넣고 Put as many green onions as you like. 파를 넣고 싶은 만큼 넣으세요. This is 고추장 hot pepper paste. I put 3 tablespoons of hot pepper paste. 고추장 3 테이블스푼 정도 넣어주세요. And put 3 tablespoons of sugar. I use brown sugar, but any types of sugar is fine. 설탕을 같은 양 넣어주세요. 3 테이블스푼. And put 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. 간장 1 티스푼. And put 3 cups of water. It's about 24 ounces of water. Stir and cook until this watery sauce gets thicker. 국물이 걸쭉하게 졸아들 때까지 가열해 주세요. 이렇게 저으면서. It's boiling now. 끓고 있어요. Stir it regularly. 저어주세요. Cook it on a high heat. 강한 불에 계속 끓여주세요. Sauce is getting thicker. 국물이 졸아들고 있어요. Stir it continuously. 계속 저어주세요. Now it's almost 10 minutes past. 10분 정도 지났어요. Now you can turn off the heat. 불을 꺼주세요. Now it's done. 다 됐어요. I made this much of tteokbokki. 떡볶이가 이렇게 이만큼 나왔어요. 한 접시. If you have hard-boiled eggs, eat with it. It tastes great. Enjoy it. 자, 드세요. 삶은 계란이 있으면 함께 드세요. 맛있어요.